much Boris Johnson is making.
Yeah.
Anyways, moving on. Hi guys, and welcome back to The Law Process.
With me, Jay.
And me, Grace. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Bit of a disclaimer, if you hear any banging in the background, just ignore it. Just focus on what we're saying.
Yeah.
As you can see from the title of this video, we'll be giving you 10 alternative careers to law. So if you're a recent law graduate, you've been working in law for a little bit, or you're a lawyer that wants to switch careers, stick around.
Yeah.
The first role that you may want to consider is that of an investigator. With this role, you use your analytical and attention to detail skills to gather evidence for a crime and or court case. This role will involve you interviewing potential witnesses and using databases and social media to track down criminals. So if you're someone that likes the social media snoop, this may be for you.
The average salary in the UK for a criminal investigator is £35,000. But this is specifically for criminal, and other areas of investigation may be more or less. The second alternative is a consultant. There are loads of different types of consultancy roles, but essentially what you will be doing is giving advice. So for example, an investment consultant will advise companies and individuals on their financial goals. Using their financial skills, they develop investment strategies and can work in a variety of workplaces such as bank, investment companies, or simply on their own.
Yes, and you also have management consultants who are professionals trained to advise on complex issues. They have various responsibilities, including analysing financial data, meeting clients, and just generally ensuring that the company is in good health.
According to PayScale, the average salary in the UK for an investment consultant is £58,379.
Whereas the average salary for a management consultant is £48,966.
So law is not the only way you can make money, guys.
No, it's not. Your third alternative is the role of an analyst. There are different sorts of analysts, such as business analysts, financial analysts, or even data privacy analysts.
Yeah.
Typically, an analyst sits under a consultant or manager, and they help improve business processes and systems by conducting research and analysis to come up with solutions to business problems.
The average salary in the UK for a business analyst is £30,696. Another alternative is a mediator. This is quite an interesting one because think of two people in an argument and you're basically the one in the middle trying to make everything fair.
The peacemaker, let's say.
Yeah. So mediators help two parties to come to an agreement regarding a conflicting matter. They will inform both parties about the mediation process, interview them, facilitate communications, and answer questions.
A typical example of this is a dispute between parents, and the average salary for a family mediator is £24,900. The fifth alternative career you may want to consider is a labour relations specialist. Labour relations specialists work with companies' human resources departments and interpret employee contracts, develop policies, and implement strategies into companies.
Yes, and their average salary is £30,186. The sixth alternative career is a contract manager. Contract managers create, manage, and oversee a company or an organization's contracts. Ultimately, they see a contract from the beginning to the end, and they are the point of contact between employees, the company, and any third parties involved in the negotiation process.
This is a really good role for law graduates or people that want to switch careers, as you use your attention to detail skills, your negotiation skills, and your research skills. And the average salary for this role is around £40,000. The seventh alternative is a risk manager. Risk managers identify and evaluate potential risks that can affect a company and look for ways to mitigate these risks. Using their analytical and critical thinking skills, they assess different sorts of risks, including strategic risks, reputational risks, and compliance risks.
The average salary in the UK for a risk manager is £50,139. The eighth alternative career is politics. Many law graduates go on to pursue a career in politics, either as an elected official or just a member of their support team. The role of an elected official may involve policy development, speech writing, PR, or other range of activities. So if you're good at voicing your opinion and you're passionate about making a change, then this might be for you.
Yes, and the salary is not too bad either. The basic salary for a Member of Parliament in the House of Commons as of April 2020 was £81,932.
Wow, see guys, the law is not the only way to make money.
It is not.
Imagine how much Boris Johnson is making.
Yeah.
Anyways, moving on.
The ninth alternative is an insurance loss adjuster. Loss adjusters are used by insurance companies to verify insurance claims. This role involves visiting crime scenes where an incident took place, gathering evidence, evaluating damages, and interviewing policyholders.
The average salary is £26,087. And the 10th alternative is a paralegal. Paralegal never really used to be a career path, but now they actually are. So as a paralegal, your role will involve assisting solicitors and barristers. You can do this in-house or in a private practice firm. You can do different range of legal work, such as legal drafting, researching, attending client meetings, attendance notes, and depending on how senior you are in your paralegal role, you can manage your own files.
The average salary for a paralegal in the UK is £19,539. And that is our 10 alternative careers.
Oh wait, actually,
Yeah.
you didn't tell them about your role.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, that's
So-
a good alternative.
Yeah, so my alternative to career to law is that I work within data privacy, and there's so many different roles within data privacy. You can be a data privacy manager, you can be a data protection officer, you can be a data privacy consultant, and it kind of falls within the remit of like a risk manager, which we mentioned earlier, and within a consultant as well, which you mentioned earlier. But yeah, so that's an alternative, and they definitely prefer people with a legal background and with a law degree.
Yeah.
So that's another bonus one for you guys.
Yes, and for those of you who actually stuck around to the end of this video, I'm also going to throw in another cheeky one.
Ooh,
and that is
we're giving you 12 alternatives.
Yeah, literally. And that is a legal recruitment consultant or just a recruitment consultant. And they also make quite a lot of money.
Yeah, in recruitment, your bonuses are quite good.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a really good one as well.
Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what alternative career you're thinking of.
Yes, or if you're already in another alternative career to law, let us know down below to help other people out.
Yes, and make sure you like, comment, and Jade, finish it off.
Subscribe. You should know what to do by now. Come on.
And we shall see you in our next video.
Bye.